Here we are today with Sean, and he is operating the air cannon out at the golf tournament today, and we're raising money for charity. Sean, why don't you give us a lowdown on the air cannon?
Yeah, this is an air-powered golf ball launcher. The ball shoots about 300 yards in the air. Closest to the pin today, we're giving away a 7-day trip, and each player will get to putt for eagle as a team when they donate to their charity of choice.
Has anybody made a hole-in-one with the ball launcher this year?
Actually, this season we've had 4 of them.
That's it, Toby. That's it. Let it rip. Oh, look at that. Look at that. In the hole. It's in the hole. It's in the hole. That was fun. I thought there'd be like a kick to it because it seems so powerful, but it's so smooth. There was no kick to it, and that ball flew. If I could play golf like this, I would play golf. That was fun.
How much air pressure do you have to put in the gun to get it to shoot?
300 yards, about 100 PSI. That's the formula we use. We're pretty accurate with it, and we're very safety conscious.